Now here is one way to seal your windows so the cold won't creep in. Now here I have put the tape sealing the windows so it can be nice and warm in here. Now I will caveat this with saying you want to make sure that you change this tape regularly because you don't want the wetness and mold to creep in and mildew to creep in. So you want to make sure that you do change it. You may have to change it every day, but it's okay. But for now, it will keep the cold from creeping into your room. Now, another unique way that you can save energy costs, you can also use construction paper. Yes, I'm talking getting the kids construction paper. This is personally mine because I like to do some creative things every now and then, keeps my brain going. You can use construction paper and you can conceal it with a little bit of the same Scotch tape. It can be discreet. You can put it there. You can match up the colors. You can change it regularly. Again, it goes back to making sure that there's no moisture buildup. This you can change like once a week, but I definitely recommend changing the where you seal daily, just checking it. I know it's work, but if it saves on energy costs, because it could be extravagant, it's worth it. And I've even seen people use bubble wrap to keep the cold from creeping into the window. And you can also use large poster boards where you won't have to use pieces of construction paper. But my whole point is not having to go out and buy things, just using what you already have. So if you have Scotch tape on hand, if you have construction paper, put it on the windows to just keep your thermostat at like the same number, so where you won't have to bump it up and you can save some money. Okay, so I hope that helps you. Let me know in the comments how you're saving energy costs, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another decluttering tip. And if you like this video, feel free to like it, and I will see you next time. Take care, and thank you so much for listening.